High up in the sky, a tiny raindrop named Droppy was waiting for his big adventure. It's time! I'm finally falling! Droppy giggled as he tumbled down with the other raindrops. He landed gently on a shiny green leaf in a magical forest. Everything around him sparkled with fresh rain. A little bunny hopped over and took a sip from the leaf. Oh, a fresh raindrop! Thank you, little Droppy. Droppy felt happy. Wow, I made someone smile. Now I'll join my raindrop friends in this puddle. And so Droppy's journey continued, bringing joy wherever he went.